Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your math class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivrat Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 6, the junk seller. Okay students, and today's topic is money. Today's topic is money. Okay, dear students, please open page number 38. Now let's start. Question number 1. Question number 1 is calculate mentally and write the answers. Okay students, in this question have 4 part. Look, question number A, 1 of A, here given that 25 into 10 is equal to box. In question number B, here given that 50 into 10 is equal to box. In question number C, 1 of C is 100 into 10 is equal to box. In question number 1 of D, here given that 500 into 20 is equal to box. In question number E, here given that 42 into 100 is equal to box. In question number F, 721 into 100 is equal to box. In question number G, means that 1 of G is 550 into 10 is equal to box. And question number H is 652 into 10 is equal to box. Okay students, look at here carefully. In question number first have 8 part. Okay, look, dear students, here given that 25 into 10, 25 into 10. Dear students, here we count given 0. Okay, here we count given 0 for solving these questions. Look at here carefully. Here given that 1 0, therefore here we have to take this 0 as same. Understand? And we know that 25 ones are 25, therefore we can write here 25. Understand? Then the answer is 25 tens are 250. Clear? Similarly, we can solve all given questions. Look at here carefully. Listen, in this question, here given that 1 0 and this 1. It means that here given that 2 0. Therefore, we can take 2 0. Okay, and here given that 5 and here 1. Then 5 ones are 5. Here we can write 5 as same. Okay, then 5 ones are 5. Okay students, it means that 50 tens are 500. Okay, similarly we can solve all given questions. Look at here carefully. In this question, here given that 1 2 3 zeros, here given that 1 2 3 0. It means that here we can take 3 0 1 0 2 0 3 0. Okay, and 1 here we have to take the multiplication of 1 by 1. Okay, 1 into 1, it means that 1 1 ja 1, therefore here we can take 1. Okay students, then we get 1000. It means that after multiplying these we get 1000. 100 10 ja 1000. Clear? In question number D, here given that 0 and here given that 2 0. Then the total number of 0 is 1 2 3, therefore we can take 3 0 1 0 2 0 3 0. And again we have to take the multiplication of 5 and 2, then we get 5 2s are 10, here we can write 10. Okay, it means that if we have to take the multiplication of 520, then we get 10,000. Okay dear students, similarly we can solve this questions. Look at here carefully. Here given that 2 0, therefore we can take 2 0 as same, and 42 1 ja 42, here we can write 42. Clear? Similarly, look here given that 2 0, therefore we can take 2 0 as same, then we have to take the multiplication of 1 by 721. 1 1 ja 1, 1 2 ja 2, and 1 7 ja 7. Okay, after multiplying these we get 72,100. Clear? Here given that 2 0, therefore we can take 2 0, and 1 5 ja 5, 1 5 ja 5. It means that 550 multiplied by 10 is equal to 5500. In this question, here given that 1 0, therefore we can take 1 0, and we have to take the multiplication by 1 in 652. 1 2 ja 2, 1 5 ja 5, here we can write 1 6 ja 6. Okay, okay distance. After multiplying these we get 6000. After multiplying these we get 6520. Okay, distance, please write in your maths book. If you have any doubt in this questions, please ask me. Now read this. Okay students, now let's start question number 2. Question number 2. In this question, here given that find the product of numbers using expanded notation. Using expanded notation. Okay students, in this question we are given that question number 2 of A is 38 multiplied by 27. 38 multiplied by 27. Okay, look at here carefully. Distance, in this question here given that 38 and here given that 27. Distance, here given that 38 and 27. Distance, firstly we have to break this 31 into 30 plus 8. We know that 30 plus 8 is 38. Similarly, we can break this 27 into 20 plus 7. Okay, students, look at here carefully. It means that 38 can be written as 30 plus 8 into, and 27 can be written as 20 plus 7. Okay, okay, students, look at here carefully. In this question, firstly we have to take the multiplication by 30 in this, again we have to take the multiplication by 8 in this. Okay, look at here carefully. It means that here we can write 30 multiply by 20 plus 7, 20 plus 7, and again we have to take this sign. It means that here we have to take plus, again we have to take the multiplication of 20 plus 7 by 8. Okay, distance. Again we have to take the multiplication of 30 and 20. Then here we can write 30 multiplied by 20. Here we have to take plus sign. Again we have to take the multiplication of 30 and 7. Here we can write 30 into 7 plus 8 into 20, 8 into 20. Here we can take this sign plus, again we have to take the multiplication of 8 and 7. Okay, understand? After multiplying these we get look at here carefully. Here given that 2 0, therefore we can take 2 0 as same, and 2 3 is 6. Okay, plus here we can take 0, and again we have to take the multiplication of 7 by 3, 7 3 is 21, plus here we can take 1 0, 8 2 is 16, plus 8 7 is, this was 8 7 is 56. Okay, 8 7 is 56. Understand? After adding these we get the answer of this question. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Here given that 600 plus 210 plus 160 plus 56. After adding these we get 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 6 is 6. Here 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 of 2 carry 1. Okay, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, students, after adding these we get 1026. 1026. This is the answer of these questions. Okay, students, please write given question in your maths fair copy. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me. Okay, now let's start question number 2 of B. Now read this. Question number 2 of B. Okay, distance. Question number 2 of B is 35 multiplied by 35. Okay, listen, firstly we have to break the given number into simplest. Okay, it means that expanded form. Look, okay, distance, it means that firstly we have to break the given numbers in expanded form. Okay, students, now let's start question number 2 of B. Question number 2 of B is 35 multiplied by 35. Firstly we have to take this 35 and break into 30 plus 5. We know that 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. Okay, similarly this we can break into 30 plus 5. Okay, distance. Therefore, here we can write 30 plus 5 in place of this 35 into, again we have to write 30 plus 5 in place of this 35. Okay. Again we have to take the multiplication by 30 in this, and then we can take the multiplication by 5 in this. Okay, then here we can write 30 into 30 plus 5 plus, here we can take the multiplication by 5 in this 30 plus 5. Okay, it means that here we can write 30 into 30 plus 5 plus 5 into 30 plus 5. Understand? Look at here carefully. Again we have to take the multiplication by 30 in 30, then we can write 30 into 30 plus 30 into 5, 30 into 5. Okay, here we can take this sign plus, and again we have to take the multiplication by 5 in 30 plus, again we have to take the multiplication by 5 by 5, again we have to take the multiplication by 5 in this 5. Okay, therefore we can write 5 into 5. After multiplying these, here we get, here given that 2 0, therefore we can take 2 0 as same, 3 3 is 9 plus, here we get 1 0, therefore we can take 1 0 as same, 5 3 is 15 plus, here given that 1 0, therefore we can take 1 0, 5 3 is 15. Okay, plus, and 5 5 is 25. Understand? After adding these, we get the answer of this question. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Here given that 900 plus 150 plus 150 plus 25. After adding these, we get the answer of this question. Okay, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 5 is 5. Here we get 5. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 of 2 carry 1. Okay, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. After adding these, we get 1225. Okay, son, this is the answer of this question. Okay, listen, please write this question in your math fair copy and book both. Okay, now read this. Okay, distance. Question number 2 of C. Distance. Question number 2 of C and 2 of D. Do it yourself. Do it yourself in maths homework. In maths homework. Okay. If any student have doubt in given questions, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, got it? Thank you.